Well, requesting everybody to put their hands together as we welcome Dr. Bhaskar Chatterjee, Director General and CEO, Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Corporate Affairs for Government of India. A very warm welcome and a very good morning to you, sir. Maybe a little bit of warm-up exercise in form of a good clap is all we are for. A very warm welcome to each one of you at the second annual Green Tech HR Conference, followed by the second annual Green Tech HR Awards this evening. Apart from Mr. Bhaskar Chatterjee, we also have a couple of very special dignitaries between us today. We also have with us Shri R. K. Dubey, Executive Director, Central Bank of India. A very warm welcome to all the gentlemen and the ladies here. Well, to begin the day with a little bit of a morning humor, there was a sales executive living in the far reaches of Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Most of his territory was nothing but a big landmass of sand. One day, his regional manager called him. He said, "You're not getting any sales, so there is going to be a bit of a problem. I want to personally come and see what's the problem." This simple sales executive said, "Sir, there's a huge problem. This place is nothing but a huge mass of sand. There is no population here. There is very less business development because there is no scope of marketing here at all." The regional manager did not buy that. He said, "I'm personally coming in tomorrow. Give me a full recce of the area. Let's try and do some business development together." The next morning, the regional manager reached and they were trying to find out that why the sales executive is not meeting his targets. The very special HR manager of the company thought it's a great way to understand how the staff of a particular region functions, and maybe we can do something better to improve their work conditions. So the HR manager, the HR head of the country, also accompanied the regional manager to this trip. The three of them were wandering around. First they started on a camel. A little later the camel got tired. They disembarked from the camel and they started walking around in the sand. Till all three of them really got tired and slumped under the sun. Where they fell, they found a lamp. And when they tried to clean up the lamp, a genie came out. And the genie said that since each one of you has jointly freed me from this lamp, I'm going to grant each one of you one life-changing wish. You can ask whatever you want to. Well, the sales representative said, "Since it's a life-changing wish, why don't you give me a villa in Srinagar? I would like to live there. Let me be secure for the rest of my life financially. No need to work ever again. A beautiful villa overlooking the Dal Lake, something like the way this beautiful property is. And just a lifetime supply of great food, great wine, great whiskey, and just a comfortable lifestyle." The genie asked the regional manager, the regional head. The genie said, "What would you like?" The regional head said, "Well, I think big because I'm the regional head. What I want is a villa in Goa, overlooking the sea, beautiful models and ladies coming in to party every night, having a great time. Every once in a while, the Bollywood personalities showing up at my party, and I should be taken care of for the rest of my life." That was good. And finally, the genie asked the country HR head. He said, "What would you like?" The HR head said, "I want these buggers back in the office Monday morning." Well, and that is what we are here for. When you handle the most valuable resource for a company, which is as precious as diamond to a company, to begin with, you need to set an example by having that finesse and by having that delicate touch. And that is what we are going to talk about, the best HR practices. That is the agenda of the day. It is going to be followed by a glittering award ceremony right in this very hall. Tomorrow, of course, is a day of brainstorming and presentations, followed by, of course, another dinner and a lovely evening to look forward to. Day after tomorrow is a very special sightseeing plan, a shikara ride for registered delegates, and an outing to Gulmarg, provided you attend all the sessions. So we are back to the classroom. We have to ensure that each one of you has to be present at every session. On that note, let's begin this conference and let's hope that it's a very, very memorable next 3 days for each one of us. As is the tradition with our country, we begin everything auspicious with lighting a lamp. wave all day long. Requesting our guests to kindly take their places on the stage itself. कुछ प्रथाएं जितनी पुरानी हो जाए उनकी रेलेवेंस उतनी बढ़ती जाती है. People constantly say do away with the old, do away with the old. But if that is what you would continue to do with every practice, there would be nothing in the name of tradition in this country. And one of the most beautiful traditions in our country is to welcome special guests with floral tributes. And that is what we are going to do. I would request the President of Green Tech Foundation, Mr. Kamleshwar Sharan, to present a floral welcome to our chief guest of the morning, Dr. Bhaskar Chatterjee. Requesting to welcome Mr. B.B. Singh with a floral bouquet. And a floral bouquet for Shri R.K. Dubey. While this might be just the second year of the HR conference, Green Tech has been a pioneering foundation in not only recognizing best corporate practices across sectors, verticals,